Today, we are learning the true requirements for manifesting our desires. The first and most powerful is gratitude. It's the cornerstone upon which we build our dreams and desires. We all have dreams. Big, beautiful, sometimes scary dreams. These dreams are the whispers of our soul, urging us to reach for something greater. But guess what? Those dreams are meant to come true. They are not just figments of our imagination, but blueprints for our future. The universe, that magnificent energy that connects us all, wants us to thrive. It conspires in our favor, aligning circumstances and opportunities. It wants us to experience joy, love, and abundance. These are our birthrights, and the universe is eager to deliver them to us. And it's ready to help us manifest those desires. The energy of the universe is like a river, always flowing, always available. But there's a catch. The universe responds to the energy we project. Our thoughts and feelings are like signals we send out. If we're bogged down by negativity, fear, and doubt, we block those blessings from flowing into our lives. It's like putting up a dam in that river of abundance. So how do we shift our energy? It starts with gratitude. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. Gratitude is like a magnet for miracles. It attracts positive experiences and opportunities into our lives. When we focus on what we're thankful for, no matter how small, we raise our vibration. This higher vibration aligns us with the frequency of our desires. We tell the universe, hey, we're open to receiving more good stuff. This openness creates a pathway for more blessings to flow in. Start each day with a gratitude practice. This sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be as simple as the warmth of the sun or the smile of a loved one. Feel the warmth of appreciation wash over you. Let it fill your heart and soul. This simple act will set the tone for a day of manifesting magic. With a heart full of gratitude, you become a powerful co-creator with the universe, ready to bring your dreams to life. Now that we've planted the seeds of gratitude, let's water them with affirmations. Affirmations are like the sunlight and water that nurture our inner garden, helping our dreams and desires to grow and flourish. Affirmations are powerful statements that help us reprogram our subconscious mind. By consistently repeating positive affirmations, we can overwrite the negative beliefs that hold us back and replace them with empowering thoughts. Our thoughts create our reality, so it's essential to choose thoughts that serve our highest good. When we focus on positive affirmations, we align our energy with the frequency of abundance and success. Instead of dwelling on what we lack, affirmations help us focus on what we want to attract. This shift in focus can transform our mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance, opening up new possibilities and opportunities. For example, if you're dreaming of a new job, instead of saying, "I'm never going to find a job I love," try this affirmation: "I am worthy of a fulfilling and abundant career." This simple change in wording can make a profound difference in how you perceive your potential and opportunities. The key to effective affirmations is to feel them in your bones. It's not enough to just say the words. You must believe them and feel the emotions they evoke. Don't just repeat the words mindlessly. Take a moment to connect with the meaning behind each affirmation and let it resonate within you. Now dig deep. Visualize your dream coming true, and let the feeling of joy and gratitude wash over you as you say the affirmation. This emotional connection amplifies the power of your affirmations, making them more effective in manifesting your desires. Here's another truth about manifestation. In addition to gratitude and affirmations, the universe loves action. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions towards your goals. It's great to visualize our dream life, but we also need to take tangible steps to make it happen. Writing down your goals is a powerful first step, but it's just the beginning. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect a garden to flourish if you just sat there and wished for flowers to grow. You need to get your hands dirty. You need to plant the seeds, water them, and give them sunlight. Consistent care and effort are essential for growth. Manifestation works the same way. Visualizing your goals helps, but it's the actions you take that bring them to life. What actions can you take today to move closer to your goals? Break them down into manageable tasks and start checking them off. If you're dreaming of becoming an author, start writing that book. Even if it's just a page a day, it adds up over time. If you want to travel the world, research destinations and start saving. Every coin you save brings you one step closer to your adventure. Every step you take, no matter how small, sends a powerful message to the universe that you're serious about your dreams. Remember, it's the consistent, small actions that build momentum and lead to big results. Now, we live in a world of instant gratification. We want everything now, and we want it fast. But manifestation doesn't always work that way. Sometimes the universe has a different timeline in mind, and we need to trust the process. This is where patience comes in. Patience is not about passively waiting for our dreams to fall into our laps. It's about actively trusting that everything is unfolding as it should, even if we don't always understand why. Therefore, embracing the unexpected detours is also a must when manifesting. The path to our dreams isn't always linear. In fact, it's often filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. These detours can be frustrating, but they can also be incredible opportunities for growth and redirection. Remember, the universe has a bigger plan for us than we can imagine. Sometimes those detours lead us to even more beautiful destinations than we could have ever dreamed of. Sometimes the universe delivers our manifestations in unexpected packages. We may be so focused on one specific outcome that we fail to recognize the blessings that are already flowing into our lives. It's important to remember that the universe works in mysterious ways. What may seem like a disappointment or a setback could be a blessing in disguise. Be open to receiving your manifestations in all their forms. Have you ever noticed how sometimes when you least expect it, something wonderful happens? You meet the perfect person, a job opportunity falls into your lap, or you experience a moment of pure synchronicity that makes you believe in magic. That's the universe at work. The universe communicates with us in subtle and often unexpected ways. It sends us signs, synchronicities, and intuitive nudges. Our job is to pay attention to these signs and trust our intuition. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to like and subscribe so we can continue on this transformative journey. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey of growth, self-discovery, and alignment. There will be times when you doubt yourself, when you feel like giving up, and when you question if it's all worth it. But it is. Trust the journey, even when it gets bumpy. Trust your intuition, even when it seems illogical. And most importantly, trust yourself. You have everything you need within you to manifest your dreams. Open your heart to receive. We've talked about the importance of gratitude, affirmations, action, and patience. But there's one more crucial ingredient in the manifestation process: being open to receiving. Sometimes we block our blessings because we don't believe we're worthy of receiving them. We may have limiting beliefs or past hurts that prevent us from fully embracing the abundance that the universe wants to shower upon us. But know that we are powerful creators deserving of everything the universe has to offer. Be sure to tell yourself that every day. So, are you serious about manifesting your dreams? Then be sure to focus on what you are grateful for every morning before getting out of bed. Recite your morning affirmations in the mirror every day. Take deliberate actions towards accomplishing your goals. Be open to receiving. Follow these steps consistently for the next 30 days. The universe is conspiring to support you every step of the way. Start manifesting your dream life today and watch in amazement as the impossible becomes possible. And as always, be fearless, be still, and know